here's your beloved pumpkin. What's gonna happen?
Oh, look what Daddy did.
Oh,
Whoa, look at that.
oh, look inside there.
Oh, what is that? That's what oh, she kissed. Did you know that was inside?
Pumpkin fell apart.
Oh, go ahead, grab it.
Yeah.
Yay. Smells good. You like it?
Look inside there.
See? It actually looks pretty cool. Wanna touch it? Is it wet?
Not sad about my pumpkin falling apart.
That one, there's something cool to look at and touch, huh? Like it? It's a little confusing, isn't it? What do you think?
Yeah. All right. Don't let me fall, Mommy. Okay. Let's see what we can do with that pumpkin. Anything fun?